Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're going to solve a hard fraction problem. Is it really hard? That's the question. Well, let's have a look at it. What have we got? We've got a mixed numeral, an improper fraction, and an ordinary run-of-the-mill fraction. We're adding these two and we're subtracting that. Okay, so what do we have to do first? Well, we have to deal with this first. We have to get it into a form in which we can work with it. And that form is as an improper fraction. So how do we get from here to here? Well, 3 2's are 6, plus 1 is 7. That's how we convert this to this. I'll say that again. 2 3's are 6, or 3 2's are 6, plus 1 is 7. This we don't have to worry about, this we don't have to worry about. Okay. So the next problem is that all of these denominators are different. And the standard procedure for dealing with this would be to go 2 times 8 times 3 is 48 and have a denominator of 48, and these numbers would get pretty big and ugly. But there's a slightly better way. It depends on how you approach this, but there are two ways to approach this and get the same result. You can look at this and you can go 8 3's are 24. Now 2 goes into 24. So we could have a denominator of 24. Or you could simply say, what's the lowest common multiple of 2, 8, and 3? And the answer is 24. 2 goes into 24, 8 goes into 24, and 3 goes into 24. So we can make our denominator 24, which is what I've done. Now, the next thing is, what do you do to get these numbers? So let's just talk our way through this. To turn 2 into 24, I multiplied it by 12. So I do the same to the top. 7 12's are 84. To get 8 to equal 24, I multiplied it by 3. So I do the same to the top. 3 9's are 27. To get 3 to equal 24, I multiplied it by 8. So I do the same to the top. 8 1's are 8. That's simple. Then I just work my way through this, and apparently 8 plus 27, 84 plus 27 minus 8 is 103. 103 over 24 is an improper fraction. Sorry, let's do that again. I wasn't in frame. 84 plus 27 minus 8 is 103. 103 over 24 is an improper fraction. Now we could leave this because part of the question was asked as an improper fraction. So we could leave it like this if we wished. That's a reasonable answer. We could convert it to a mixed numeral, and to do that we have to work out how many times 24 goes into 103 and what the remainder is. So 24 goes into 103 4 times, gives us 96. And therefore the remainder is 7. So this is the answer to that problem there, and it's really not that bad. It's just a process, and it brings into focus the one thing that's really important for dealing with fractions. You have to know your times tables. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.